Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maya Ki Pathshala Pura Gyan. I hope you all are well. So today's topic is conjunctions, means the joining words or the connectors. Let's get started. Words which are used to join or connect two words or sentence together are called conjunctions, like and, but, else, or, unless, otherwise, because, since, while, so, yet, otherwise. This is the error, so it comes twice. Although, therefore. So let's see. Similarities and as well as or both. Okay. Contrast but still, however, like I like him but not that much. Okay. Simple like I like apple and banana. Or for time we use till. I will wait for him till this much time, or 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, until I will wait him until he will deny to come. I will come after he will come, or I'm waiting for him since this much time, or I'm waiting you before you know. So these are used when it comes it used for time, particular time. This is the cause, this is the purpose, this is the result, condition, comparison, and concessions. Let's see how we will use it. Okay, so today we'll do only 10, and I think we have only 10 in this. Okay, so let's see some of the example. She was waiting for her friend, but she did not come. So this is simple one. Okay, where we use but and as well, they are the simple one. Okay, so my mother is cooked food and my sister is helping her. This is also simple one, and or but. Now see, it is for the time. ठीक है, she has not done her paper well, still she hopes to pass. ठीक है, and then don't go anywhere till I return, also telling the time. तब तक मत कहीं जाना जब तक मैं ना आ जाऊँ. सो दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर. सो हिंदी में हमने किया ना मिश्रित, सरल, वो है ये. द पेशेंट हैड डाइड बिफोर द डॉक्टर अराइव, ऑल्सो टेलिंग द टाइम. कि डॉक्टर के आने से पहले ही पेशेंट ख़त्म हो गया था या नो मोर. वॉक स्लोली लीस्ट यू शुड फॉल डाउन. ठीक है, ओके, देन दिस इज ऑल्सो डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर. ये होगा तो ये हो जाएगा. आई हैवंट सीन हर सिंस येस्टरडे, सो ऑल्सो डिनोटिंग द टाइम. तो वेन एवर इट इज़ अबाउट द टाइम, सो टिल, स्टिल, सिंस. ओके, बिफोर, आफ्टर, अनटिल. I could not come to school yesterday because I was not feeling well. So here they are telling the reason. Okay. He behaved as if he were a king. So this is telling the nature of that particular person, that he behaved like he is the king or he were a king. You will pass if you work hard. So it is dependent on each other. तुम पास हो जाओगे अगर तुम मेहनत करोगे. So this is conjunction. Basically we use and, but, since mostly in the kindergarten एग्ज़ाम और kindergarten के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में and, but और since ही सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, छोटे बच्चों को, कि and. जैसे I like apple and chocolate, but I like you, but I don't like your behavior, since I'm waiting for you since this yesterday or today or day tomorrow, ऐसे. So I hope in this video you have learned something. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care. Thank you.